Trevor, king of the Segway.
Yeah, dude. This is a crazy meteorite and asteroid that they've finally been able to observe through UV reflections. And so what this the headline for this was very weird. I thought it was a very big what's it called, a gag. It says like the Hubble telescope gives a closer look at rare asteroid worth $10,000 quadrillion. It's like, yeah, but no one cares about like how much money is on it, right? Like we want to know what, like, why it's interesting, right? Why is it rare? So yeah, this new, well, not new. I guess it's been observed before. It's just they've had a better look at it recently. This asteroid has been it's been in the belt, this asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter for a long time. Um, but it's different because most asteroids are made out of rock or ice. But this one they dubbed the 16 Psyche is mainly made out of metal. And they thought, so it's some kind of core of a planet that like was hit in like a earlier hit and run collision that like exposed its core from the mantle, like, and everything else was like taken out of it, you know. So yeah, this recent study they used the UV observations and they revealed that it's mainly of iron and nickel, which is also found in like the dense cores of planets. So yeah, it's I thought that was really cool. Something like here in our solar system that is observable from, maybe in a few years we'll have something that launches and gets over there and we can study and maybe get a better idea of what planets are made of, and maybe finally know like what's in the center. Like, we know kind of, right? I mean, we've never been to the center of a planet, but we can assume what it is. Yeah, so there is a project they're beginning to like prepare for. In 2022, NASA is planning to launch a unmanned spacecraft called Psyche. It'd be on the SpaceX Falcon Heavy rocket to study the asteroid. And it'd be the first time a mission will visit a body made entirely of metal. And it's supposed to like arrive around January 26th, so it's going to be like a 4-year journey to get there, and then it's going to study it for 2 years. Yeah, it's... So one of the scientists says, what makes Psyche and the other asteroids so interesting is they're considered to be the building blocks of the solar system. To understand what really makes up a planet and to potentially see the inside of a planet is fascinating. Once we get to Psyche, we're really going to understand if that's the case, even if it doesn't turn out as we expect. Anytime there's a surprise, it's always exciting. So yeah, it's a exciting thing, I think. As much as it does worth $10,000 quadrillion, like, I don't think that's why we want to get there. Like, no one's going to melt this down and like sell it and like on the Earth for 10,000 quadrillion. Maybe you could. I mean, maybe that's how they're funding the project. Who knows? But the whole point is,
You could buy a lot of flying cars with $10,000 quadrillion.
yeah, that's true. You can change the universe.
Probably a whole like 5 or 10 of them.
Yeah, so that's the astrophysics topic of the day. So yeah, hopefully they...
Always good to get that in.
Yeah, no black holes today, unfortunately. The only topic was a very starter. It wasn't... They didn't... The only thing they did was like observe this black holes from like 1.4 billion years ago. So it's like, yeah, it's cool, but like, what did you learn from it? Like, nothing yet, right? So yeah, any other thoughts?
Yeah, I thought it's kind of interesting. It doesn't seem like, how often do they send a mission to study an asteroid? Is it... I think this is kind of a unique... did you call it Psyche?
Yeah, Psyche.
What'd you call this?
It's called the Psyche. The asteroid they call the Psyche 16.
Is this kind of common, or do you usually just send missions out to planets?
I think they have observed from different like satellites and observers to asteroids, but this would be like the first one that's like complete like metal asteroid. The other ones are just rock and ice based, so I don't think we have any like interest further into those because I mean the basic. Yeah, but we have so many different projects like going on, like one going to the sun, this one going to the asteroid, and I think we have other ones going to like Titan, and yeah, there's definitely more than just planets we're sending out to. So
Good stuff.